Welcome to our e-learning classes. Today I will take your food and digestion, the first chapter. In our last class we have completed the chapter. So today I will discuss few of the questions which are given in your textbook. Refer to page number 9. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. First fill in the blank is given here. Food passes through the dash to reach the stomach. What would be there? Pancreas or food pipe. Food goes from our food pipe. So the right answer is food pipe. Second question. Growing children need a lot of dash in their food. Fats, proteins. We need protein for our good health or for our growth. So protein is the correct answer. Next, third number, dash give us more energy than carbohydrate. Which food component give you the more energy than carbohydrate? It is fat. Next one is salt and dash in pickles act as preservatives. Salt and oil in pickles act as preservatives. Next one is dash contains proper amount of all nutrients for good health. Which kind of food is giving us all kind of nutrients in a proper amount? That is balanced diet. So the correct answer is balanced diet. Now we will come for the very short. Two more are given here. Cooking makes the food tasty and we should avoid overeating. Why? Because overeating makes us obese. Now next one is the very short answers. So we will write only answer in this part and you will write in the book. Same page 9. Name any one method of the food preservation. We can write any of the method. There are so many given: drying, pickling, refrigerator and salting. So any name you can write over here. Next question is given: which organ produces bile? Which organ produces bile? That is liver. So now turn over the page. Refer to page number 10. Next question is given. Name a mineral that help in formation of blood in our body. So which mineral is useful to form the blood cells in our body? That is iron. Next, name 4 food items rich in carbohydrate. There are so many examples, but we have to write only 4. We can write cereals, bread, potatoes, maize, honey, anything we can write. It may be sugary or starchy. Now, 2 junk foods name. What are the junk foods? The food which are full of sugar or fat are called the junk food. You can write any examples, but I am telling you here burger and pizza. Next, we have to write the answers in a brief or short answers. So what is roughage? We know the roughage is the fiber present in the food item we get from plants. So whatever the fiber part of the food which we are getting from the plant and which are helpful for our digestion is called roughage. Next question, how does saliva help in digestion of the food? So what is the work of saliva? Actually saliva breaks the starch of the food into soluble sugar and simple substances. Why the simple substances and soluble form? So our body can absorb it. So this is the answer. Saliva breaks the starch of the food into soluble sugar and simple substances so our body can absorb it. Next question is given here. What is food preservation? What is food preservation? The process by which we can prevent the food items from getting spoiled for a long time. So this process is called food preservation. We are preserving food for a long time, so we can use it for the long time. Next, why do preserve food items? Food items get spoiled at room temperature after some time. So if we want to use it again, we have to keep the food in some preservative method, and we have to use some preservative method to keep them for the long use. Now one question or example is given here. During dinner, Manisha always serves water to everybody in the family. Two related question from this statement is given here. First one is, how many glasses water should we drink daily? So we know we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water each and every day for the good functioning of our body or the proper functioning of our body organs. Next question, what value do we learn from Manisha? So what value we are learning from Manisha? Manisha is helping her mother and she is sharing her mother's work. So here we can say we are learning, sharing and helping values from Manisha. Now, what is meant by digestion? As we know, digestive system help us to digest the food in the simple and soluble substances so that our body digests it. So what is digestion? Digestion in the process in which the food we eat is broken down into soluble and simple substances so that our body can easily absorb them and utilize them for proper growth and nourishment. So this digestion is very necessary and very helpful for the growth of our body. Now, why are foods rich in vitamins called protective foods? We know there are different kind of vitamins and they are helping us in a different ways. So what they are doing actually, what is their function? Vitamins are those substances which help our body to fight against the diseases and make us healthy. So vitamins are very much needed for keeping our body fit and healthy. Now there are some long questions. Process of digestion, we have to write briefly each and every part of the digestive system started from the mouth and ends into the large intestine. That we will discuss in the next class, or as well as I'll take the next chapter in my next class, that is teeth and microbes. Okay, now I am finishing my class here. Stay healthy and well at your